Wholesaling real estate has completely changed my life. From getting started as a broke 16-year-old bag boy to making millions of dollars every single year wholesaling real estate is by far the best business anyone can get started. Let's break down exactly what is wholesaling and how it made me millions of dollars and how you are going to get your first wholesaling deal.
Let's get started. What is wholesaling real estate and what it is? This could also be considered the audiobook. This is Zach's Wholesaling Bible, even though it's a pretty long audiobook, but I think it'd be really worth it for everyone. So we are talking about what is wholesaling real estate first and foremost, and then going really deep on the tree of what wholesaling real estate is. The cleanest possible explanation. So let's go bring this whiteboard out. Make this a little easier for us to understand, but let's kind of explain what is wholesaling real estate just so we can get a better understanding of what this business is and how it works. So hopefully I don't break anything here, but let's just explain this. Okay, so this is what wholesaling real estate is. So wholesaling real estate is the simple art, okay, of three parties. So in this business, there is a seller, there is you, and there is a cash buyer or considered the buyer. That is three. I think I know how to count. I think I remembered how to count, but that is three people in this transaction. Now, you are the middle. Now, you can think of it as you as the middleman. I mean, that's probably not going to be the best way to think about this, but you're going to be in the middle. And what you do is you have a three-party transaction, right? So there's party one, party two, party three. Now, I always believe that if you can't explain something to a third grader, then you don't truly understand something. And so this is going to be my best way to describe this as a third grader of how I wholesale. You know, what do I do for a living? Okay, so this is what I do. So what we do is I go find people that want to sell their house. Now, if you're a third grader, I'm assuming you like pictures. So I'm gonna draw a picture of a sad guy. This sad guy owns this house. There's me. That's what I think I look like. And this is a cash buyer. We'll talk about him later. But he's big, fat, and rich. Money, money, money. Okay, he's got money in his eyes. Okay, cool. So this is a seller. They own this house, and they just want to get rid of it. It's a disgusting old house. They want to get rid of it for cash. They just want to get rid of this thing. I am the middleman. I'm the wholesaler. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go find somebody who wants to sell their house for below what it's worth. What's very important we understand here is how wholesaling real estate works is if a house is worth, let's say, $150,000, what I want to do is I want to write a contract for, let's say, $130,000 and then sell it to someone for $150,000 and collect a $20,000 spread.